Japanese past tense adjective feel confusing? Stay with me for a few minutes. In this video, I will show you Japanese adjective past tense in 2 simple patterns. So by the end, you can take any Japanese adjective and instantly make the correct past tense without guessing. And if you have not watched my previous video about I and Na adjectives and negative adjectives, the links are in the description. Watch this first, then those for full my secret formula memes. Let's begin. Let's start with the I-adjective past pattern. Rule for I-adjectives, drop I, add katta. That's it. Think of it as changing the verbs like ending into past. For example, oki, big, becomes oki katta, was big. Chisai, small, becomes chisakatta, was small. Atarashi, new, becomes atarashi katta, was new. Now full polite sentences. Kono hon wa okikatta desu. This book was big. Ano ino wa chisakatta desu. That dog was small. In VENOM term, the nominal part is kono hon, ano ino. The verbal part is okikatta desu, chisakatta desu. You can hear the state plus past plus desu, all living on the adjective side because I-adjectives are mini verbs. Next, the Na-adjective past pattern. Rule for Na-adjectives, drop Na and then for basic past you add datta. In polite sentences, you usually see Deshita. Remember, Na-adjectives need a helper like da or des. So the past is really on the helper, not on the adjective itself. For example, Shizukana, quiet, becomes Shizukadatta, was quiet. Yumena, famous, becomes Yumedatta, was famous. Benrina, convenient, becomes Benridatta, was convenient. Now let's make them into a polite form you actually say. Kono toshokan wa shizuka deshita. This library was quiet. Ano hito wa yume deshita. That person was famous. In VENOM term, the nominal part is kono toshokan, ano hito. The verbal part is shizuka deshita, yume deshita. Look at the shape. Adjective stem plus deshita equal was plus adjective. The state is in the stem. The past is carried by deshita, the helper. If you have not watched my previous videos yet about I versus Na adjective in basic form and about negative adjectives, remember the links are in the description. First, watch the adjective finally clear video and then watch the negative adjective finally clear video. Together with today's past tense lesson, you will have the full VENOM maps for Japanese adjectives, positive, negative, and past. So, post your 3 sentences in the comment. Then click the link in the description or in the playlist on screen. Keep building your adjective power and let's make your Japanese finally logical. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.